Today we are making a succulent wreath. I originally made this as a square wreath on a pre-made wireframe I bought at a craft store. Before I get started, let me just show you how I attach them to the wireframe. So once you make the succulent, which I'm going to show you here in a moment, you will have an extra circle that can be used to attach it to the wire wreath. You place the succulent on the front and use the circle to glue and attach it to the frame. For today, I'm working with a styrofoam wreath, so guess what? I don't even need this extra circle. First, you're going to cut out all of these pieces on your Silhouette or Cricut machines. It is a lot of pieces. Then you're going to build one succulent at a time. So let's start with the bottom two pieces. Finger press them and then hot glue them together. Then hot glue all the individual pieces at the triangle to create 3D leaves. Then hot glue these to the middle of the two larger pieces until only the center is exposed. Then finger press your final small pieces and hot glue them to the center of the succulent. I decided for this wreath to also add a second color to the wreath. I just cut out the smallest three pieces that we used in the center of the big succulent and glued several of those together in another color. Once you've made several of these, then you're going to glue them directly to the styrofoam. I'm using the smaller succulents to fill in all the holes here. Remember that if you are using a wired frame, you will want that extra circle. But if you're doing a styrofoam wreath like me, you won't need it. And that's it. All right, here's the difference between the square and the circle, as well as adding a second color. I hope you have a chance to make one of these. I love how it turned out.